The Roborock Flexi Lite vacuum mop offers a powerful cleaning experience with its exceptional suction power of 17,000 pascals, effectively handling both wet and dry messes on various surfaces. Its lightweight design, weighing just 8.8 pounds, makes it incredibly easy to maneuver, allowing you to clean tight spaces and beneath furniture effortlessly. The innovative self-cleaning feature with hot air drying ensures the mop remains fresh and odor-free, making it a convenient choice for maintaining a clean home environment. With a battery life of up to 40 minutes, this vacuum mop is perfect for cleaning large areas without the need for frequent recharging. The adaptive smart cleaning technology automatically adjusts the cleaning power based on the dirt levels, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning tailored to your needs. The front wheel assist feature enhances the ease of use by allowing smooth navigation around obstacles, reducing the strain on the user during cleaning tasks.